Hello friends, welcome back to Baran Creations. I'm back with a new video. That is, in this video I'll be showing you how to put twisted chain stitch. So let's start. Here I have taken 6 strands of thread. So put a knot at the one end and leave the one end open so that you have a long thread to work on. So let's start to put the twisted chain stitch. Insert the needle from below like this. And then keep this thread towards here, then insert the needle down like this, cross like this, insert it up like this, and this forms a loop. So I'll show you once more. So keep this thread towards left, insert the needle down in a cross way. Like this. It should be slant, the line should be slant. You can see it's not straight, it's quite slant. And then pull it. So, put the needle below the thread, insert it down, and then insert it up. Insert it down, insert it up. Insert it down, insert it up like this. So keep the thread towards your left, insert the needle below like this in a cross way, like this. I'll show you once more. You can adjust the size of this chain. So first insert the thread from below, then keep this towards left and insert it down, and then insert it up like this. Make sure it forms a loop. So again, keep the thread towards your left, insert it down, then insert it up, leave some space and insert it up. Make sure this has formed a loop. So I'll show you one last time. Insert the needle below, then leave some space and insert it up. Make sure it forms a loop. And then lock it. So our twisted chain stitch is ready. I hope this video was useful. If you like this video, hit thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and leave your valuable comments below and let me know which stitches you want me to try next. So thanks for watching guys. Have a nice day and help me reach 10k subscribers soon. So please go subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye.